Just a word of advice, if you want to practice tolerance, fight a court case in Nepal. Ucha Adalat. And if you want to master tolerance, fight 7 court cases in Nepal. I don't know how it's going to come out. I'm just trying to get into the momentum of editing and doing same day vlogs, very Casey Neistat inspired. Late. I'm wearing my suit today if you're going to ask why. Today is court day. I am going to Ilam. I just came to know about this in the morning. Yeah, we get a cup of coffee and I rush. Hello. Hey, हुन्छ बा म मेगा कम्प्लेक्स अगाडि आउँदैछु त्यहाँ कफी बोकेर हिँड्नु 2 मिनेट लाग्छ मलाई त्यहाँ. This is Bhutan Road. Today I just feel like vlogging a little bit and hence I'm doing it. I have not walked around my town like this, honestly. Feels a little weird, especially when you're wearing a suit. Hi, Vandina. Their channel, their chat line. I am somehow unable to make the payment. For the best coffee in town, come to Thorum Coffee. Dad is calling. Dai, more payment bhari haldiन्छु ल. Hello. I am how? गाली खाए यार मैले. I can't do anything about it. Now I have to drive. It's a 3.5 hour drive along the hills. Days are interesting in a small town. I tell you, I kid you not. Hazur? Hazur? बेलामा बच्चाहरु पर्छ बेलामा पुगेर आफै उपस्थित भएर केको बेलामा पुग्नु बेलामा पुग्नु नपुग्नु के गर्दा हजुरको मनको सन्तुष्टि मात्रै हो आफू प्रयास गर्नु पर्ने केटा सन्तुष्टि मात्रै हो बाबा धेरै पार्नु भन्ने हो हैन कति बजे अहिले ठ्याक्क 9 बजे हैन We are just leaving that in the car. कुमार दादा ड्राइभर पनि हेरौँ के हुन्छ खासै त हुनेवाला केही छैन जस्तो लाग्छ हैन आज के हुन जाने नै होइन आज यो किन जानु यत्रो तेल खर्च गरेर काठमाडौँको त्यसकामा त्यो मुद्दाको बारेमा छलफल गर्ने अलि कष्ट पहिला हामीले कति बहस गर्नु कति छलफल गर्नु कति प्रयास त गर्नु पर्यो नि भाइ प्रयास गर्नु त हुँदैन त लामो दिन त यति प्लानिङ त मेरो आजको घाटा लाग्छ मेरो दिनको यति आज मेरो फोटो सुट थियो आज तँलाई मैले जा भनेको थिएँ तँलाई त्यो बिहान ढिलो सुतेको देखेर तँलाई डिस्टर्बै नगरी हिँडेको म यतिखेर म माथि फिक्कल कटिसक्थेँ कट्नुहुन्थ्यो फिक्कल देशको लागि लड्ने मान्छे शालिक भएछ भ्रष्टाचारी पो देशको मालिक भएछ म मरे पनि मेरो देश बाँचिरहोस् मिस्टर नेपाल जय नेपाल
Got a password, type of thing you couldn't manufacture. 10,000 hours got it mastered. Can you see the pattern? Last time I checked,
Ucha Adalat, Ilam.
real high. Kept it dope without a pill pot. Bill cut, steady coming.
150 days, not 100. That's too much. 150 days too much. Maybe close to 100 days. Going to court or doing some court-related activity. So this is the Ilam District High Court. In the last 400 days, I might have come here 50 times. Sometimes I've won the case, but the order has not been implemented. And yeah, the process just goes on. Legal case is a mess. I would advise don't get into legal mess. You know, it takes a lot of time, energy, effort, which could be perhaps used in a positive way somewhere else. Yeah. Bye. Hi, Vandinta channel. Hello. यहाँ खाली मुद्दाको लागि मात्रै हुन्छ नि त प्राय मान्छे यो ठाउँमा तपाईले कहिले पनि गर्नु भएको छैन मुद्दा
छैन म त जन्मेदेखि अहिलेसम्म हस्पिटल पनि पुगेको छैन
हो र एकपल्ट पनि हस्पिटल पुग्नु भएको छैन होइन होला
हो नानीहरू 2-3 भाइ छन् घरैमा भएको
3 भाइ घरमै भएको तगडा हुँदो रहेछ मान्छेको एकपल्ट पनि हस्पिटल पुग्नु भएको छैन अरे हस्पिटल टेक्नै भएको छैन
केको लागि टेक्ने हुनु पर्यो नि त्यो कारण
अब त मान्छे डर रहेछ
यसो ज्वरो सरो आयो भने गाउँले औषधिहरू प्रयोग गऱ्यो ठिक भइहाल्छ
जन्मेर कति दिन बस्यो हस्पिटल 1 महिना नै हस्पिटल बसेँ नि म
भयो यो
कता यता पर हो
माथिबाट फर्केर
sarcasm होटल इक्वलाइटेड छ कि त्यसकै मुद्दा हो उताबाटै हटो खोइ थाहा छैन मलाई अब हाम्रो आउने काममा आउनु पर्यो धाउनु पर्यो दुःख खानु पर्यो
एकदम छ ढिलो हुन्छ भन्नुभयो
बा मुनि गएँ ल म मुनि गएँ So this has been a bit of my life. Someday you just have to randomly wake up and cancel all the plans for the day and just come to the court because I'm so unaware about what is happening. That is dealing with it. It's taking a lot of, I don't think I have the patience and I have the energy to deal with Mudda Mamla. The only thing I like about, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Bye-bye. So the only thing I like about coming to viral ta hudaina hola. The only thing I like about coming to Ilam is the tea gardens. At least you get to walk in the tea gardens. And this tea is like premium quality tea, top quality. Ilam is very famous for its tea. So the date has been shifted. 3 hours up drive, 3 hours downhill drive. Gone to waste. Today's day is just wasted. अब कहिले आउँछ फेरि तारिख?
एक हप्ता पछाडि लाग्यो
So again we have to come here after a week. So yeah, that has
आगामी 14 गते बिहीबार
next Thursday. Again the date is there. Yeah, here we go again. That's it for today. We waited and they shifted the date again. It's like तारिख पे तारिख भन्ने कुरा भनेको यही हो. परिश्रमको फल मिठो हुन्छ.